Hello, this is unboxing video. These are today figures. Okay, Broly and Super Saiyan Gold Vegeta and Broly, Dragon Ball Z's Broly and Gogeta and Broly other type and Golden Frieza and Cooler. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 figures. I start unboxing. So exciting. Let's go. Okay, at first, Bprize Super Saiyan God Vegeta figure. This Vegeta is Dragon Ball Super Broly movies Vegeta. So cool Vegeta. I think this Vegeta is the best, the coolest Vegeta. The red hair Super Saiyan God is so cool. Okay, Vegeta. The figure size is big size. Wow, so cool color. Okay, let's check detail. Whole design is this. So high quality. Okay, back style is this. I like this color, of course. I like the dark type. Yes, back is this. And front design is this. And the face is so cool. Perfect face. Okay, this figure is very cool, very good. The hair color is not light, near dark red. Okay, this is Super Saiyan Gold Vegeta. Size is big. This size is S.H.FIGUARTS, double S.H.FIGUARTS size. This is S.H.FIGUARTS, about double. So big figure, but this is high quality. Okay, let's next figure. Okay, next figure is Prize B, Gogeta, Super Saiyan Gogeta figure. This movie is Dragon Ball Z. Okay, let's unboxing. Okay, Super Saiyan Gogeta is this. Cross is high quality and color is perfect. The muscle is beautiful and the Gogeta fusion style cross is so cool. And how do face? Okay, face is good, so cool face. Real face, anime face, and hair is good. And angel. Back is this. Fusion's cross is so cool. Do you think it too? Okay. Gogeta size is big too. The Super Saiyan Gogeta is bigger than Vegeta. Okay, the Gogeta is so cool. Okay, let's next. Okay, next figure is Bprize Super Saiyan Broly and normal Broly. So beautiful hair color, blue color. Two figures. Let's unboxing. Okay, Bprize Broly. This is normal Broly and Super Saiyan Broly. So this is damage print, damage illust. Let's check detail. The color is different. The foot design and body. Face is this. So cool face. Not Super Saiyan Broly figure, maybe first time for me. Back hair is beautiful and back style is great. Okay, and Super Saiyan Broly. Super Saiyan Broly is this. Face is this. And back style. both of them great figure. Which do you like? Normal Broly or Super Saiyan Broly? Which do you like? Okay, next is Eprize. Let's go. Okay, next is Golden Frieza. Eprize. Let's unboxing. Okay, this is Golden Frieza. The gold is beautiful. Okay, very good. The full design golden. So very golden. So cool. And back and the face is this. The left style. Face is rough style. I think this Frieza's face is so cute. And gold is great. Gold color is beautiful. This is Eprize Golden Frieza. Okay, let's next. Next is Fprize. Cooler final form figure. Wow, so cool figure. Okay, Cooler figure is so big and great figure. Amazing. And back side is this. Very cool. Okay, let's check detail. This is color miss, but other point is perfect. Wow. The figure size is so big. Compare S.H.FIGUARTS, maybe double size. This is S.H.FIGUARTS cooler, so maybe double size, and color is different. So rare purple. Okay, great figure. The last two figures, both of them blurry, but color type is different. Okay, let's check. Okay, next figure is Super Saiyan Full Power Broly, last one version, and this is Eprize. Okay, let's unboxing. Okay, this Broly is wonderful. I don't make a word, nothing word. So my opinion is simple. This Broly is great. Okay. The big size and powerful shape. This shape is wonderful. I have never seen like this Broly. So this Broly is so rare. Wow. Do you like this shape Broly? Looks like this Broly beast. Looks like beast. Now this is Eprize version, and I am unboxing last prize version. Okay, let's go. Okay, this is last one version Broly. Shape is same Eprize, but the color is different. The metallic color maybe. So beautiful color. Green is metallic and purple is a little metallic. The body is normal body. Okay, let's compare the Eprize. Right side and Eprize, and left side is Bprize. The Bprize is rare item, a little rare item. Which do you like? The one version is metallic color. The shoes color is metallic too, and maybe body color is same, and face is same, and but hair color is a little different. Okay, both of them so beautiful and so powerful. Looks like beast. Okay, good. Okay, figure review is finished, and other price on Ichibankuji. So these figures Ichibankuji's figure. The Ichibankuji is famous and great series in Japan. Okay, other prize, let's go. This is Bprize sacoche, 8 pattern. Okay, let's check. Wow, Super Saiyan 3 Goku, so cool. And Goku. Okay, this is sacoche. Next is this, and all Dragon Ball Super and Dragon Ball Z. Very good item. So cool, Broly, and full power Broly. Dragon Ball Z Broly, Dragon Ball Z Legendary Broly, and Broly full power Dragon Ball Super Broly. Wow, good. Fusion, Vegeta and Goku, and different color, orange and blue. Okay, good. Logo. The Goku and Kame Senryu and Dragon Raider and Majin, Bprize mark, and this is True Sennin and Dragon Ball and Pico and Red Ribbon and Kaio and CHAOZ and Capsule Corporation, and this is Gohan's school. I forgot. Poi Capsule. Do you know all of them? Good idea. Okay, I remember the scene in the movie. Many colors. Wow, so good. This is Scotch. Very good. Gogeta and Gogeta Blue. Dragon Ball Supers, Gogeta, Super Saiyan God, Super Saiyan Gogeta, and Dragon Ball Z movie Gogeta, Super Saiyan Gogeta, and Angel type. Okay, good. Last is this simple design Dragon Ball, and back is wow, Shenlong. So cool. Wow, great. These sacoche are greatest. Okay, and this is Eprize. Eprize is coaster. This is Dragon Ball, so cute. Back is this, and Illust is square type Son Goku Super Saiyan and Kura. Son Goku vs Kura. Okay. And Beerus Circle type, Beerus 3D time, and Square type Super Saiyan full power Broly, and this Gogeta, so cool pair. And Kame Senryu, and last is Shan, so cute Shan Dragon. Okay, good. Next. Okay, and Eprize visual sheet. First is this Dragon Ball Z Broly. Bag is nothing, just nothing. And next is this. Brilliant. Wow, future Trunks. So I like this clothes style. So cool Trunks. And Oolong, so cute. And wow, Goten and Gohan and GOKU'S Kamehameha, and Gogeta, so cool. And Liu Kang, Super Saiyan 3 Son Goku Liu Kang. Okay, great. And from here, Dragon Ball Super, Frieza, and Goku, and Broly movie. Okay, finish. Okay, the review time is finished. Thank you for watching this video. By ending, if you have a good time, please subscribe and please press good button and please write comment. Thank you. Have a good day. See you next time. Thank you. Aloha.